LiDAR is what's known as active data integration. So what it does is you have a drone or the satellite imagery that will shoot a laser down. So that's where your LiDAR comes in. So your laser will go through and then it returns back to the sensor. So it does that millions of times a second. And so what it does is it penetrates vegetation, dense vegetation types to get to the ground surface. You're getting a surface model instead of just a terrain cover. The spatial accuracy is incredible. You're almost getting survey grade accuracy from a drone, which is pretty incredible. It's got a lot of different applications to it. We can do better slope analysis. It's got better resolution. It's also very useful in finding cultural resources in typically overgrown areas. Essentially what you get are these what are called point clouds. Instead of a static photo that you would get, it's millions of little points that will come together and create whatever feature you're looking at, whether it's a tree or a car or a building. Like I said, with the cultural resource identification, you can see historic building footprints where you would not have been able to unless you literally clear cut a ton of old vegetation, which there goes back to your environmental standpoint. Like, you don't want to do that if you don't have to. So the technology is fantastic.